So in this video I'm gonna show you how to create an e-commerce website from scratch. It's a step-by-step tutorial and it's gonna be really easy. It's gonna be just 3 simple steps: pick a domain, install WordPress, install a free theme, and you are done, guys. If you stay with me, it's gonna be really easy. So guys, before I begin, if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you. And if you are new here, my name is Yavar Khan and I make a lot of WordPress tutorials, plugin reviews, so please consider subscribing. So step 1 is pick up a domain. Okay, so for me it's Bluehost. I have a 70% discount, link in the description. Just get started, just select get started, select this one and select your domain, which I've already done, but still just giving you for an example, something like this. Click next, fill out everything, and I would select for 12 months and then just everything yes, and submit. Once you are done, okay, so once you're done, you would be in this page. I've already purchased it, so I'm going to show it to you. You will be in this page. So it's just loading right now. So yeah, all you have to do is click on my sites, create a site. I'm gonna call it my fashion. Okay, this is my website name. I'm not gonna give a tagline. I'm gonna click next. You don't have to select a directory because I already have yavarkhan.com, so it won't let me create, but I'm gonna just create a new directory. Won't select any of these. Click next, and then you are done. Just go to log into your WordPress, and again it's loading. And guys, the first step is done. Pick a domain is done, install WordPress is done. So you're halfway through. Congratulate yourself. Okay, so you are halfway through, so we are done. Okay, so we are at the dashboard. Now the next thing is the most important thing. Click on settings, permalinks, click post name. The reason we are doing it is because we don't want our website to show some numbers. We want to show post name. So let's say you create a page called men's, it will show as men's. Save. Okay, the next thing we have to do is when you see coming soon page. So basically what it is once you copy this thing, just go on the internet, paste it, it will show as coming soon. Okay, so I'll just activate it. Just click coming soon, launch your site, and once we launch our site, voila guys, our website is ready. Okay, so now we are done with this thing. Now we have to install free WordPress theme. So now what we have to do is go on appearance, theme. So now all you have to do is install a WordPress theme. Just click on add new, click Astra. Okay, so it's a free theme. Once it's over here, just click install, and once it's installed, click over here, activate. So now once it's activated, what you have to do is click on appearance, click on Astra options. Okay, and just click on this install importer plugin. Once it's installed, so it's going to take like 5 seconds. Once it's installed, you need to choose Elementor. Okay, so basically Elementor is a drag and drop page builder. That means no coding required. That means you don't have to know any code. It's just a drag and drop builder. Click on next, and then guys, you just have to click on e-commerce because we are making an e-commerce website. So these are the different templates, and I'm gonna choose, scroll down, so I'm just gonna click on e-commerce, and then I'm gonna choose the brand store. Just gonna click on this, and I'm going to import site. So usually it takes around 2 to 10 minutes depending on your website, your internet speed. Okay, so for me it takes around 3 minutes, so I'll wait for a while and see you in a second. So guys, it's done. So now all I have to do is visit site, and as you could see, now I'm visiting my website. So now I could see it's, it's almost done. I'll show you how you could edit it, but like, you know, if you go on men, you could see men. If you click on stores, for some reason you cannot see the products. All you have to do is go back on your dashboard. Okay, once you are in your dashboard, click on pages, and then as you could see, click on stores, and just click on update, because for some reason it's not showing over here. So just click on update. Now it's updated. Now if I refresh, okay, now as you could see, all the products are here. If I click on the product, there are different variations. Okay, and then you could add to cart. There are related products. You could additional information. Everything is over here. Now I'm gonna show you how you could edit your home page. Okay, so all you have to do is click on edit with Elementor. It's a drag and drop builder. It's really easy. Once you click on that, guys, it's just like, it's super simple, guys. It's super simple. All you have to do is just click, and you know, it's just very easy. If you want to style it, you want to change the typography, you can change it. Let's say if I want to change the typography, just click area and increase the size. Now if I want to decrease the margin, just click over here, and here, guys, just play around with it. It's very easy. Content, if you want to change something, you can just write over here. It's like a drag and drop builder. You can do it from here as well. Okay, and just update, and as you could see, my website, it looks pretty good. Also, one more cool thing I'm gonna show it to you is you go to unsplash.com. okay, so this website gives you free images. Okay, so you could use it. It doesn't have any copyright, so I can write bikini. Okay, if you are doing a shop for bikini, it's really easy. All you have to do is click any of the images. Okay, just download for free. Okay, if you want, you could just copy it and credit the owner. Then come back over here, just click over here, you could see the dots, go on style. Okay, just choose image. I'm gonna use that image which I just downloaded. Okay, once it's downloaded, so now I'm just waiting for it. Once it's downloaded, insert media. Now as you could see, it looks pretty good, pretty damn good. Just gonna click on update, and as you could see, if I want to make some changes to it, top left or top center, or I could just make some changes to it, center right or bottom left or center, or just make some changes. If you cannot find, just make it default. You can just click on custom, make the changes as you want, however you want, but I'm just gonna leave it default. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep it center and update, and in fact it looks really good. I'm just gonna keep it as it is. You can make some changes to it, but I'm not gonna do it right now. All you have to do is, then if you want, you could delete this if you want, or just keep it as it is. So guys, if you want to delete this, just right click and delete, and then as you could see, it looks perfectly good. If I make it mobile size, on the mobile it looks really good. So I'm just gonna keep it as it is. Save the changes, and that's it. What I'm gonna do is, now I'm just gonna click on preview changes, and this is how your website's gonna look. Looks really good as of now. Now the next thing, okay, so that's it. Now I'm gonna tell you how you could add products in it. As you could see over here, adding products is really easy, and I'm also gonna give you a trick, guys. All you have to do is, if you want to start making money online, just go on AliExpress. A lot of people are doing this and making tons and tons of money, especially a lot of my friends. They just started doing it. All you have to do is create an e-commerce website, which you already have it, and promote these products. If I just type bra, as you could see, these bras are for $4, and starts from $4. Imagine what you could do is just take this bra. I can just take this image. Okay, if I could save this image. So guys, as you could see over here, all you have to do is click on my dashboard. I'm going to show you how you could add products, and imagine you can start selling these. Okay, all you have to do is come on products, just add new, and super, just write your product name. That's going to be super fit bra. Okay, you could put the price here. I'm gonna put it's $100, £100. And then for sale price, if you want to put the sales price, you could put that. All you have to do is just exactly the same thing. If there's a description over here, a lot of images, I've saved the images. You could say sexy lace wireless bras. Just put the description for sexy lingerie, and you could add your own as well, guys. Okay, add an image. What you could do is, the category is basically these ones. So I would select, obviously for sure it's for women, and then you can add the product image over here. Upload image. I've just uploaded a random image, but you could do the same. Okay, set product image. You can add a product gallery. You could show different bras. So for example, I'm going to show this thing. It's very easy. If you want to write a description, add the description here as well as here. Publish it. Once it's published, you could go back to your store, click on women. Okay, so basically what I have to do is exit to dashboard, because currently we were editing. I can click on visit site. Once I'm on my site, if I click on women, I could see this one, the super fit bra. So as you could see, the gallery is here, images looks perfect. As you could see, the description is here. The sale price is £50. Imagine you can make tons and tons of money by just selling all these things. You know, someone orders it, then you get order from AliExpress and then just ship it to them. Also, I'm going to show you how you could change the price. Click on WooCommerce, click on settings. Once you're in your settings, click on general, and then you could just use pounds. So for me, it's going to be dollar. Just search for dollar. United States dollar. Save changes. If I come over here, refresh it, I could see dollar over here, and then you could start selling your own products. And it's, guys, it's really easy. Okay, just copy this thing. You can share it on your Facebook groups, fan pages, on Instagram. There are tons of ways you could start making money out of it. And I hope, guys, you like the video. Thanks for watching. And also, as I've promised you all, a free bonus. So I've created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. The link is down below. And Bluehost has a 70% discount. So hurry now and go buy Bluehost. It's really easy. And thanks for watching. And I would see you in the next video. Thank you.